Your social media feed probably looks like a high-end runway lately, filled with silks, silhouettes, and names that sound like Italian royalty. You stumble upon a site called Andreas Oriano, and suddenly you are looking at dresses that seem too perfect for the price. We're talking about dress names like the Rosalba or the Octavia. These pieces have this timeless, polished branding that makes you feel like you are stepping into a boutique in Milan. The story behind it pulls at your heartstrings too. It claims to be a tribute to a man who spent his whole life tailoring clothes for everyone else. Now, his family has supposedly launched this collection in his honor. It is a beautiful narrative. The prices are sitting in that sweet spot between $70 and $170. It is enough to feel premium, but low enough to make your credit card itchy. But here is where we need to slow down. I started digging into the actual bones of this operation. The website runs on a standard commerce platform. They have an email address for support and clear business hours listed. However, there is a giant silence when you look for external validation. I checked the major review platforms and there is absolutely nothing. Not a single customer review exists there yet. This is a massive red flag for anyone who values their hard-earned money. Even though the domain was registered back in October of 2024, that date alone does not give us a green light. It just means the name has been around for a little while. When you look for a physical office or a phone number, you hit a brick wall. There is no address. There is no person to call if your package goes missing. You are essentially trusting a digital ghost with your style choices. The photography on the site is professional and gorgeous, but we have seen this story before. Many sites use stunning visuals to mask a lack of actual inventory or poor quality control. If you decide to take the plunge on that Serafina dress, you must be smart about it. Do not use a debit card. Always use a credit card or a payment service that offers strong buyer protection. If the dress arrives and it looks like a kitchen rag, you want a way to get your money back. Is it an outright scam? The evidence does not point that way quite yet. It has all the standard policies and a clean layout, but the lack of independent voices telling us about their experience is loud. You are basically being a pioneer if you buy from them now. You might get a beautiful heirloom quality piece, or you might end up in a customer service email loop that never ends. Weigh that risk before you click buy. Research the return policy until you know it by heart. Look at the sizing charts twice. In the world of fast-moving digital fashion, the most beautiful story can sometimes be the thinnest veil. Stay skeptical and keep your eyes wide open. You want to look good, but you also want to make sure your money stays safe. Andreas Oriana looks the part, but looking the part and delivering the goods are two very different things. Trust your gut. If something feels too polished to be real, take a breath. Wait for those reviews to finally start trickling in. Your wardrobe can wait a few more weeks for a sure thing. Take your time and verify before you buy. If you cannot find a single person who has actually touched the fabric, you are taking a gamble. Make sure it is a gamble you can afford to lose. Fashion should be fun, not a financial headache. Keep your standards high and your expectations grounded. Real quality does not hide behind a curtain of mystery. It stands on the foundation of happy customers and clear communication. If this brand is the real deal, those reviews will show up soon enough. Until then, keep your wallet tucked away and stay curious. There are plenty of other ways to find that perfect look without the extra stress. Be the smart shopper you know you are.